No idea.
We over here, say no. Say you want what? Car? How you get car?
God go with him, my husband. Me don't know how I get it, but me I try. Are you in Canada?
You say you want car, how you get car? You dey one thing I make this one bagger. Blah blah blah. When I tell when you see me and I'm not chatting, so all you come for internet now
I'm
chat.
trying to
When you
find
see me with the car one night, you know, say you want a car. So oh no, you come for internet. I tell me say you want. Can you see me for chat, Jay? You carry me tell you already. You're not a career.
Anything you have to
You hear
talk,
that?
you have to talk.
That me have to
Free
tell you.
yourself.
So you see the car where you want, just take that off of your mind, B. You hear that? Me not there in Jamaica. You not get nothing.
So what you say? When we see on the 7 man, me if you run up in the 7 man.
Me never see you for run up. You know me name. You know me name. You know me name. Just like when you walk coming at the party, bold and brave. You could have said whatever you want to say. Just like when you're on the internet, bad up yourself now. When you see me, you could have been say where you have to.
No, I'm afraid.
Why you never say it then? Why you come on the internet at all?
I'm afraid to win. I just come for
idiot man.
Yeah,
man.
I
You what going on? That's why you leave me name out of your mouth. You understand? It happened with how it for happen. 1 week now you stab me. And you not call for fire if I'm gonna get stitches in my thing. If better, if nothing. You hear that? You gotta talk about a little stab. Little stab my bum buckler. Eh?
Let me see it.
Eh?
What you can't show the stab. I tell you some childish. What make one night me see all of us have SS. In a cat burn with 7 man escort you. What me do for come say? You don't set them up against me already. Me hear that? Me have sense. Clad. The man said I get knocked out. Well, my summer piece. Man, they're Canada. I'm hype. People look like him that Canada don't. Ah, come do it. Come talk the things them.
Jay, listen. Fun and joke aside. Jay, cut the boy blood clot cocky and carrying it off and take off for everything argument. Done.
Yeah.
Mama said, Jay, next time you see the boy, you just use the scissors and just snap it in half, cause that alone you have to do your argument. Done. You want the car? Alright, cool. So after this are mine.
Cutie, if you come cut him off, you know, cutie. But I how him deal with him off.
See me stop there. A little stop this. A little stop this.
See it.
Eh? A little stop this.
I can't see it.
What is the right answer? What is this?
Put the camera properly, because I cannot see it.
See it there.
So why never come and address it?
A little stop that. When the scissors itch up in my shoulder.
The scissors never itch up in your shoulder.
You're good enough. Hey, don't make me this say, Jay. Don't make me this say. Because you see me thumb pain in your face. When me thumb pain in your face, Jay, me turn to you and me say, let me carry you around. Let me carry you to the doctor. What you said to me? You want to go to your mother. I carry you to you. I let you go to your mother. For a week, me then ears I tell you say, let me carry God the doctor. You know want to go to the doctor. When you start feel pain in yourself, you tell yourself say you want to go to the doctor. Come you go to the doctor. So when you go to the doctor, shut up, me my bum buckle. Me talk, shut your fuck, man. I want you. Where the fuck do you? You go to the doctor, you get prescription. And still, when you get a prescription, I feel a prescription them. You take a prescription them. I'm going to tell you, say, you cannot take prescription and a smoke. And the antibiotic them start blood clot with it, make your face bum clot. I say you got the fucking hospital. And you got
to drink.
Hey, you messing up when you annoy people. When you annoy people and people tell you for done, you don't know what for done. And you love to have your hand in a people's face. Stop paint this good picture like me just get up and thump in your bum clot face. I be a box man like you think you're a picnic woman. I want here. Where the fuck do you? Eh? I want to say something. I must box your back. You keep on telling me about my mother. My mother, big pussy mother. I must box in your pussy.
First tell me about my mother, in the car. You first said it. I'm going to go suck
Yo,
back your mother
lady,
yourself.
you tell me about my mother.
Jesus.
Me not tell you about your mother. Me respect mommy BJ too much for evil. I tell you about I want to woman love me now. Love me. You know what you say from one day me not call any name. And every minute they for me name, they for me name, they for me name. Jay, leave me alone. Love me alone. You not get back no care. Love me. Love me. You hear that? If you go for your police them, go for your police them and me could do it. If a man you go for
do it. Yes, you chin and chin, brother, where you're parring.
so don't go on like
you
you have to say this pretty thing. You hear that?
Jews are excursion. Don't mind you do it. He's a dog
You
to
not
your own
worry about my extortion them when me go pay. You not nobody worry about that.
Ma worry. Ma worry about it.
Yeah.
These are disgrace to yourself. Do you don't bad? You smell bad. Go ahead. You better make me get my car. You hear you bad? Do you remember you can't take problem in us, so go and show off. Mm-hmm. I forget about my car. I not look and do it. And that time look straight now. Anyway, you get the car, you cripple do it. You can't move or you to a sky. You know, there are no Canada. And if you're there Canada, I have to say they're Canada. If you're there, I still not care more on my car. Leave him with the car. Yeah, every time I say I leave him with the car. But when him do the little things and back, him know if it trigger me, you know. Him know where I do. Two we know where I do. And all yesterday, Mr. Melly, then that's time I walk out at a party. You hear me say, why when I see him, I never do something. What me did for do? Me never go up to you with your seven friend. Them. My friend, but my bad. When my girl, when my girl, when me I go step to 7 months for do? Do it, you need to behave yourself, do it. Trust me. Not with me. You need to have some more stability and morals. Your conduct of behavior is horrible. You don't know when, where, and how. Cause all of that way you just come say, it still not make it right. You still don't have a man to stand up as a man and say, Queenie, you hear me now, this not work out. You just have me a try that long and then blood clot clothes where you paint and this and that. Go man and leave me alone.